India is on its way to develop its first 100 smart cities. And as India's first privately planned smart city, Palava continues to prepare for the future by investing in technology and infrastructure to provide its citizens a great quality of life. One of the most important aspects of a smart city is safety, security and emergency response. Palava City Management Association is developing a smart and integrated solution that consists of Palava Security Force that comprises experienced professionals with military intelligence and commando backgrounds, mobile patrols that consist of security vehicles and trained dog squads, over 450 CCTV cameras with video analytics as part of the IBM Bosch Smart City offering in every building and perimeter level, emergency response through a fire station, upcoming hospital and partnership with Topsline to ensure response time within 10 minutes. All of this integrated within a state-of-the-art command center with 24/7 intelligence monitoring. PCMA has built a multi-tier approach to safety and security that is built on intelligence, monitoring with technology, but reducing dependence on traditional solutions like physical guards, which have little impact and only adds to citizen costs. The first tier of Palava's security consists of an effective network of intelligence in the region. Palava Security Force works closely with local police authorities to monitor local information needed to keep the city safe and secure. The perimeter of Palava is tightly held by the second tier of security, where the boundaries of the city are monitored 24/7. This is done through CCTV cameras with analytics like tripwire technology and patrolling using vehicles and dog squads. For Tier 3 to performance duties, all entry and exit points throughout Palava need to be controlled. These checkpoints exist to ensure that travelling citizens and visitors are guided to the right places in the right manner. Tier 4 of Palava's security operates at the level of the neighbourhood and building level. A combination of CCTV cameras at building lobbies with access control and continuous monitoring of all outdoor spaces where residents and children gather is supplemented by physical guards and mobile patrols that allow citizens to move around freely at all times. The final tier of security operates at an individual level. Citizens can dial 911 in the event of emergencies to summon response teams comprising ambulances, fire engines, the police and the Palava Security Force with a maximum response time of 10 minutes. All of these tiers function because of the command center, which becomes the hub and serves as the 24/7 response system for the whole city of Palava.
यहाँ पलावा सिटी में आकर जितनी सिक्योरिटी, जितनी फैसिलिटीज़ हमने फील की हैं, उनकी कोई व्याख्या भी नहीं की जा सकती.
Say for example, if there is a fire or any medical emergency, we call on 911. Immediately within 10 to 15 minutes, their vehicle is down the building. So in that case, they are very quick in the service.
They are doing a wonderful job in terms of safety. We have no issues. As a lady, personally, I have no issues. I have never come across any of the situations wherein I feel insecure.
Palava is absolutely the best place to stay over here. We are absolutely safe and sound.
That is the biggest advantage with Palava. Like my kids can roam around anywhere and I don't have to worry about traffic coming in, living in a trafficked area.
The play area is like wherein I can view my daughter where she is moving. Also, there are many security guards who keep a watch.
Palava is continuously investing and building a safety, security and emergency response network that keeps the city's citizens secure, lets them move freely and achieve our vision of a world-class city.